So, what are the business challenges for companies developing CRISPR-Cas products? One definitely long because of the complex nature of these uh, developing the Cas9, developing the CRISPR components, and targeting the specific loci in the genome, screening the genome to find any off targets, and finally, so it's a long process. It takes around 7 to 10 years to commercialize a CRISPR-Cas product. Second, small addressable market. As of now, CRISPR-Cas is most used for genetic diseases or rare genetic disorder, and the market or total addressable market for such genetic disorders is low compared to other normal drugs such as metabolic, cardiovascular, or even oncology. The drugs for these CRISPR-Cas, or the indications for which CRISPR-Cas is being developed now or being used now, only targets a smaller portion of population, which generally limits the revenue. Of course, companies are strategizing by increasing the price, such as more than 2 million per patient, but still, uh, uh, the companies are facing revenue. It limits revenue. The reimbursement is not easy and not available across all countries, and hence smaller addressable markets is one of the challenge. Second, high licensing IP cost. License for CRISPR-Cas technology is with few researchers, few companies, and all other companies are paying royalties or paying licensing fees to use the technology for developing their therapeutics or diagnostics. And hence, high licensing fees also helps erode profit margins and regulatory barriers. Definitely, there are no clear regulations on CRISPR-Cas uh, based therapeutics or diagnostics or even products across different countries. There is no harmonization. Of course, US has approved, Europe has also approved one therapeutic, but other countries do not have a clear regulatory pathway for approval of CRISPR-Cas technology, and hence regulatory harmonization is also one of the challenge for this technology. Fourth, market readiness and adoption, as mentioned, because of the restraints such as ethical concerns, complexity, and high cost, reimbursement issues, or lack of trust, lack of infrastructure, because CRISPR-Cas technology is hospital-based therapies, high-end hospital-based therapy. So these are also factors for low adoption. And finally, competition. Of course, there is no competition, or there is no risk of obsolescence as of now because there is no competition and the technology is not matured. It's still evolving, but competition once the therapies are approved is also a business challenge for, among these CRISPR-Cas companies.